What a beautiful day. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Yeah, this is Lynette, courtesy of Isvanet Services. And I want to just show you one of the services that our company Isvanet Services offers. One of the services we offer, automation. Automation is a smart living. We need to live smart. Technology, I tell you guys, technology, it's moving from one level to another each and every day. So I just want to show you some parts of it that will make someone think otherwise. You'll see how how we can make work easier without moving all over the house, minimizing the movement always whenever you are in your house, or even if you are not within the home, whether you are in the city and you have automation. Yeah guys, so like I was saying, automation is the way to go. You need to automate your house, all your lights, your curtains, and today I'm just going to show you practically the professional. We're gonna engage the professional at least to take us through how automation makes work easier. There we go. It's time for smart living. You control everything. Smart home automation. Home cinema we have here, we're gonna see. We have smart locks, we have security system, and smart sensors. So this is one of the services that we offer as Isvanet Services. So we have like five key. We have smart home automation. That one is number one. Number two, we have home cinema. You can control. Number three, we have smart locks. Number four, we have security system. And number five, we have smart sensors. It's time for smart living. There we go. Let's see, and let's just go briefly so that you understand whatever we are talking about. Hi, engineer.
Hi.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with the smart lock. Yeah. This is the smart
So this
lock.
one has an RFID card. You can easily swipe so that at least it unlocks. So that's a smart lock system. So you know it's an LCD screen for controlling the whole
House.
the
The
whole
whole
house.
home.
So if you you can control all of your devices, be it intercom, light, track light, panel light. You can like see this one has been defined. Each and every one has been defined.
Yeah.
So there's a linear light, panel light, there's a track light. At the same time, strip lights and so on.
Yeah.
At the same time, you can control your AC. It's a control system. You can control your ACs depending on temperature you need, your fans. If you have a heater
at your comfort zone.
yeah, if you have a floor heater, you can do that. If you have motors, you can control every system. The blinds, so you see. So the curtains you can control from here. There's another button here. So this is for the motor, for the curtain. The blinds, so this is for the blinds, and then the curtain that is running across. Then music, you can control all your music. Wi-Fi system, USB, you can do radio, aux, Bluetooth, things like that. And then now your appliances. So you can add as many appliances as possible, as long as they're connected to the system. So that's like a complete automation system. So like here we are. So these are the systems.
Yeah.
This is a typical board for an automation system, as you can see. Yes. And then now these are the items. I think this was we talked about before.
Yeah. Before in our previous video.
And then now, so now you can introduce your expert.
Yeah.
Wait, come and show us. Come and
Just
show us.
just take us through how it is being done.
So, hey, you can just show us. You're not appearing. Yeah.
So here we have the bucket equipments, we have relays, we have dimmers. So the relays comes in different sizes depending on
The number
the
of
number of
outputs.
circuits
Circuits you have.
that
We are
you
talking
have.
about these ones here.
Yeah, the
you
relays
have
are-
in your house.
Mhm.
Okay.
So down there, we have a power supply. The system runs under 24 volts.
Mm.
So that acts as a relay transformer. It takes in the normal 240 and supplies 24 volts to the back-end equipments and the switches as well. So everything that you want to control, be it lights, be it curtains, irrigation, anything that you want to control smartly, you have to take it. The cables must run to the distribution board.
Yeah.
So that is a sample of a distribution board.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
that is quite big because it's for commercial.
Yeah,
for
these are
the
commercial.
space.
Yeah.
But for residential, of course, it will be kind of
Smaller. Yeah.
So other than from the back-end equipments, we have the switches, we have the panels, and also the motion sensor. So up here we have motion sensor.
Yeah, these ones.
You can use it along the corridors and the washrooms. This one you can use in the home office or even in the kitchen.
Yeah.
If it's not like quite big.
Mhm.
Then this
Or a
one-
lobby area.
yeah. This other side we have switches. So the switches, depending on what you want to control, we have 4-gang switches, we have 3-gang switches that just do lights only, and you can add your curtain. You can also program one button to act as a master switch on
Yeah.
and off.
For example, you can do that. You can switch that. You see that
The,
terrace?
the upper button.
I'm gonna do it practically. This one.
Yeah.
We are here.
Yeah, the upper one.
So
Eh?
this
Yeah.
one.
So if you switch that,
Everything is off.
All the lights are off. So that is a general switch that will work with all these relays to switch off our lights.
So I bring
So
it back.
when she presses it, all these lights will come back on.
Wow.
Yes. So that is how smart the system works. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we
So-
have these other switches. You can just press like any button
ones?
there. Yeah, this other one,
This is another one, the black one.
the black
This
one.
one?
Just
Yeah.
press those two buttons, any of them. So you see we have enda karibu. You see we have
Lights.
lights, AC,
Music.
Curtain,
Curtains.
Yeah.
weather,
Yeah.
energy.
Food,
So that means you can even
AC.
regulate your energy. Eh?
Yeah.
You can understand your energy
Yeah,
usage.
so by saying energy, we have a 3-phase meter there. So you just connect it.
Oh.
You'll be able to read
Your consumption.
your
The 3-phase meter.
consumption from your system. So that one and that one, they do the same job. The difference is just the interface and the size.
All right.
That's the only difference.
Okay.
Up there we have the panels. It's called a Saturn series. It
Yeah, this
comes
is
in
Saturn.
4-inch,
Yeah.
5-inch,
Saturn
10
40,
inch,
Saturn 57,
57.
and Saturn 133.
Then we have a 10-inch.
Then Saturn. So these are 10-inch, eh?
Yeah, so the panels works the same. The only difference is sizes, and
Yeah.
of course sizes goes with price.
Yeah.
So for them, just press hiyo kitu inakaa home, hiyo kitu inakaa nyumba kwa hii kubwa.
Kwa kubwa.
This one.
Kuna hiyo kitu hapo juu inakaa. Oh. So you can see there, click the button room.
B. Sauti.
Ndio hiyo asha-
Bila bila.
So you see, after clicking the room, you'll be able to have
Yeah.
all the rooms in your house.
Yeah.
They will all appear there. So, for
Reception,
example,
show
yeah.
area, we have cinema, we have display. Yeah, that is the whole room now.
Yeah, the whole house. They
Yeah,
go back.
the whole house.
And go back.
So there still,
Uh-huh.
you can be. Yeah, you can see your intercom can ring there. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
add your CCTV camera. That specific Saturn series, you can add up to only 4 cameras.
Yeah, that is-
CCTV cameras.
That's a
if
camera, eh?
You have maybe a certain panel in master bedroom, you have another one in the dining. You can talk the intercom, like you can ring
From your master
one
bedroom
panel to the
to
other.
the other.
Yeah, so it's like a one-time thing that like you have control over your
Your
whole
house,
house.
eh? Oh,
Just that one panel.
Can Saturn 40 do that?
Yeah, all of them can.
Even calling.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm.
How? Because that one I need to test tomorrow. I have two certain 40s that I need to deal with.
So that certain 40 is still giving us trouble even on this one.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
I think your next visit tutakuwa tumeswitch.
All right.
So other than that, we have these other switches. So these, the Zigbee switches, they're for existing homes. Like they uses the normal cable. Just open behind there so that you can be able to see. Oh. So you see the other switches uses the Cat6 that has data.
Oh,
That is
Zigbee
data
uses the
and
normal.
signal, meaning you strictly use
Cat6.
Cat6. So this Cat6 comes from the relays. Remember we said everything that you're controlling, you must take to the distribution board,
Yes.
terminate then to the relay.
True.
So only one Cat6 will come from the relay to the switches. So you don't need like every switch with its own cable. You
Okay.
just get one cable, then you loop depending on the number of switches that you have in your house.
Okay.
For the panels, they use PoE switch, just one cable to the
Okay.
PoE
Yeah.
to the
So
PoE
that
switch.
is powered also.
Yeah. So below here we have the Zigbee. You see, it's just the normal. We've used a blue cable, but you can use black.
Yeah.
So it's just the
So this is the
normal
Zigbee.
black red cables. So you can see we don't always have neutral in the switches,
Yes,
but
yes.
for this particular one we have.
There is.
You must add neutral for it to be
On. Powered.
so like to be.
Even to be powered.
It
right?
has to be, for it to be like efficient, like stable for stability.
Yeah.
You must add the neutral. You can see here we have the neutral.
Live and
slots.
neutral.
We have the, that is a 3-gang switch, so
Yeah.
we have L1, L2, L3,
L3.
and the common.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1 gang, it comes in 1 gang, 2 gang, 3 gang.
Okay.
So for someone, for an existing house, if you don't want, not ready to rewire your house to the Cat6.
Then we can use Zigbee.
Yeah.
The only thing we add is now the neutral.
Yeah, the only
All
thing
right.
you add is
The neutral.
Yeah.
Okay.
So below there we also have the alarm system, that is a 7. Then we have the key fob down there.
Okay.
So alarm system we have wireless system.
Okay.
So here
We have music.
we have before the music we have the normal switches.
Yeah.
So maybe someone is not doing smart switches, but you want to have those fancy
Yeah.
finishing.
Yes,
we
yes,
have
yes.
glass.
Yeah, these are
black,
fancy.
We have glass
So,
white, we
with the-
have wood, we have leather, we have the sockets that has the USB and
Yeah,
the Type-C. So depending, like you are not limited to having fancy switches
Okay.
if you're not doing smart
Okay.
switches.
All right.
Yeah. Then next we have the music. The music we have ceiling speakers.
Yes.
And
So these are the ceiling speakers.
is Makodio.
Okay.
So the brand that are here currently is Makodio.
Yeah,
But now we have
go-
TIS. See, there's also TIS ceiling speakers. I have even some.
It's okay, but Makodio now
It's
upgrades,
better.
like the sound is.
Oh, the sound is
super-
superb, eh?
Yeah, so the sound is super powerful.
Okay.
So currently we don't like solar speakers.
Okay.
So we do the Makodio speakers. We have the ceiling when covered in a car heavy.
Yeah, I know.
When
Yeah.
open.
This is when it's open.
Yeah.
Then when the cover has been placed, in fact, this one we can even remove.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one you can even remove. Yeah. So when you remove the cover, it looks like that. But now, this cover fixed like that. So this is how your ceiling will look like.
Yeah.
On the ceiling it will appear.
Yeah. So this is how it appears on the ceiling. Eh? When it's open, it's like that. But with the cover, it's that beautiful.
So there you can just move nearer. You can increase the
The volumes.
volume. Angalia kwa speaker tu. Kwa speaker hiyo imefunguliwa.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Control the volume from here.
Yeah.
Ah.
You can also twist that like unaona hiyo kitu ya katikati
Eh,
kadogo the smallest twist it the smallest ikienda chini
Can chini. Come show me.
like you can just twist it where you want the
Ah.
where you want
The direction of the sound to go. Oh. So the Makodi is quite smart, eh? So you can see the speaker can move depending on where you want the.
Yeah. So we also have roll-bound speakers. They are insulated. You can put them outside. Then this side we have the pendant speaker.
So you are here.
The
So the
Smart living.
so the hotel management system.
Before okay, here we have the intercom, the video intercom. So we have this up here. It's a 1-button outdoor unit. It's used to control just a small house or a compound with just one house. So when you press the bell, it will ring. This is an indoor unit. It's a 10-inch panel, so you can be able to open the door by just a press here. You can answer the call, or you can choose to decline. You can screenshot, or you can even record your conversation with the person at the gate. Yeah.
So if you assume you receive, then definitely that camera is supposed to be showing us, eh?
Yeah, of course it's showing us.
It's
that
showing us. It's only that
we are short. We are short.
So it's showing me.
Oh yeah, guys.
So down here we have another outdoor unit. It's used for the apartments. So every unit in their apartments, they'll have their own code. Then inside they will have either a 10-inch panel or a 7-inch panel. So if you're a visitor, you just say the code of the specific house you're going to. It will ring, and the owner will be able to see you. Yeah. So on the other side, on this side, we have the hotel interface. So we have this for indoor. You just put your card in and it turns on all the lights. Then we have this, it's for outdoor. So the person out, this shows the room number. It can be edited according to the place it's being used. So here we have the bell. So the person at the door just rings the bell. You will hear from inside. If they've come for room service or laundry, they just press here. If you're inside, you'll be alerted. Then we have this one for fun, and it's also has 4 buttons for lights. Yeah. So we also have this one for outdoor. So here we have the room number. Here it's for swiping your card for access. Then here we have still, if someone comes to do room service or laundry, they just press here. Then this one is for indoor. So you put your card in here so that the lights can go on. If maybe you are on an interview or you are in a meeting, you can just press the end, do not disturb. It will alert the receptionist that you are busy. Then if you need room service, you just press. If you need laundry services, you just press.
That's simple.
Then we have down here we have another set. It's called Click Series. So these are plastic, glass. These ones are metal, so they're different depending on your taste and preference. So this is a 3-gang switch. It's engraved. It can be changed depending on what you want. So this is for makeup room, do not disturb. This is a master switch, master power for off and on all the lights. Then we have this specifically for bedside. We have a socket here, we have a 4-button here. So this is also for bedside, but curtains included, fan included, do not disturb. Then this is a master switch. We have sockets here. Then we have just a normal DP switch. We have a socket. This is a 4-gang switch. Then we also have this for bedside. This has 2 cover, but this has 3. You have your socket here. We have the type C USB, the normal USB. We have a socket here. We have a fan here. Then we have the 6-gang here. So you can control if the curtains are automated, and also have AC. You can be able to control. Yeah.
That's nice. And now the other one, those are how do you call it? This one's normally ring.
Those are ring cameras.
Ring cameras, eh?
We have
the ones you can easily communicate with.
They're just like normal camera. The only difference is the product for Amazon, so they're totally independent. You can't even
integrate with them.
You can't, and you have to pay for the storage. For the
cloud storage.
Yeah. They are wireless. They use battery. You can be able to remove and charge the battery.
All right.
So here's a demo how the curtain is automated.
And then there is also the curtain. The system also has Oh, these are blind, eh? So you can
Okay.
you can control the blind
Yeah.
at the same time, so it's automatic. You can also do it.
Oh yeah.
So the blind is going up.
It's moving. Wow. Just use a remote at your comfort zone, guys. Oh yeah.
So this is the remote, eh?
It's moving.
Pause.
Wapi hapa?
So if you press, it can pause. So
Yeah.
depending on where you would want the light, or
Okay.
so it goes up. The other one, right?
Right?
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah, we are
Then
closing.
finya ya chini kabisa to open.
Okay. We are
So that's-
opening it.
so we are
It's
we can-
moving on. Are they seeing?
You can use your remote. You can use the remote, your phone, or the panel.
Oh, so that means you can still use the panels that we've seen.
Yeah.
You can use your phone, the Android app on your phone.
Or
At the same
remote.
time, you can use the remote.
Wow.
So both, whichever is comfortable with you.
Wow. Smart living, guys. Yeah, let it stop there. Or we take
So
it
what
up.
was it? No, it was down.
It
It was
was
a bit down. Hey, let's leave it at.
No, just open it.
Okay. Just open it then.
Ooh. If we need fresh air in, guys, your remote's away. Up to there.
Yeah, that's fine. So you can play with it depending on how far you want it to be.
The position you want it to be. Okay, guys. It's time for smart living.
So, what could I do? Normal curtain.
This is a normal curtain. Come. So
We
this.
have a motor there.
Oh, so that.
Let me just.
No,
Sorry?
just come. We have a motor there.
So there's a motor here
Yeah.
for the normal curtain. Eh?
Yeah, for the normal curtain.
Uh-huh.
Then we have the runners. Those are the ones who.
The runners are up there.
Yeah. Then the middle one is the carrier. Where the curtains meet.
Okay.
So
Oh,
if
this
you press,
one is coming from this side.
yeah,
The meter, the middle.
we need to meet. So if you press the remote, it opens.
It opens. So that means
Show
if
them,
the curtain
show
was
them.
here, it would have been moving in the curtain. Eh?
Yeah.
Vile tu, right now the curtain is not there.
Yeah.
But now the runners are coming. So you see the runners are coming. So that's how the
Yeah,
curtain would
they're
have
meeting in
behaved.
the
Eh?
middle.
Yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
So that's what
wow.
you can do for the curtains. Then
This is a cinema place.
then there's a cinema. So that's how you can automate your house. So that is a cinema system.
It looks beautiful, the cinema system, guys. And I know everyone will love this. Everyone will love this. Aina shida.
You do?
Here we have a cinema setup.
Yeah.
So this is a 5.1. We have 1, 2, then center we have 3 speakers.
So these are three speakers, eh?
That is a 5.1 setup. We have the one is that subwoofer.
So there's a
You see
subwoofer.
there.
This one
Then we
here?
have
So that is a subwoofer, eh?
then we have a receiver there.
Then
That's
that's
a
the receiver.
5.1 receiver. So all the speakers, and the subwoofer, they're all terminated to the receiver. So yeah, all the speaker cables comes behind it. So if you have a full room dedicated for cinema, like it's just a room with just a door, we do full cinema setup, acoustic treatment, acoustic door. We do the starlights, everything. How you'll go to a Cinemax to watch, you'll have that full experience in your house.
You can test
Yeah.
it. You can sleep and we see how you're having the experience for cinema. And then you can play your music.
No background. No.
You can play your music. You see? It's wonderful.
Hey,
So
you're
that-
having fun, guys.
So
like everyone would love to have these in their rooms.
massive.
It's fun, guys.
Sofa bed.
Sofa bed. It's so comfortable.
Very, very wonderful subwoofer.
Yeah.
And then the control system, the player, that's the receiver where all speakers are connected. And then we have the center speaker, the two extreme left and right speakers. And then there are two also back or for you to achieve background music. You can also even add the ceiling speakers if you want.
Yeah.
So that the setup is as beautiful as possible. So that is how this.
You enjoy your music.
Very, very boom,
Cool
boom, boom, boom.
music, quality music, guys. Quality music.
Yeah.
Quality music. Wow.
So you can conclude.
Very interesting, guys. There we go. You've seen that, and everyone is moving to smart living. I told you, everyone is moving to smart living. Don't be left don't be left aside. Let's move together with technology. Control your house, control your room, control your home at your comfort zone. Whether you are in Nairobi City, you want to control the lights back into the village, you can do that through automation system. Whether you are in the village and you want to control lights in the city, your home in the city, you don't want to disturb the security guy or the house helps there, you can do it automatically at your comfort zone. There we go. Make sure you watch the video up to the end. Isvanet Services is here to offer you all this you've seen at affordable price. It depends with which one do you want, which one do you prefer. Without further ado, guys, see you in our next video. Time for smart homes, innovation, smart security.